All right, so it's hard to believe that the holiday season is already here.
This is Christmas.
And as a teacher and maker, I am fascinated with the ability to help people learn and create. That is why this year I'm going to bring the best Black Friday deals that I think any maker, yourself included, somebody special in your life, should be taking a look at. Now, with this in mind, I don't get any kickback at all, zero commission, I have zero sponsorships, I have zero stake in any of these companies. I'm just giving you the honest truth about what I think you should take the time to look at and maybe spend your hard-earned money on. Now, all of the links will be down in the description below, so without further ado, let's get right into the list. So here at Kennedy DIY, we mainly focus on 3D printing. Now, if you or somebody that you know are interested in getting into 3D printing, and you're looking for the perfect introductory 3D printer at a really great price, that brings me to number one on my list, which is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Now, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini right now is sitting at $199 with free shipping. $200 for a phenomenal introductory 3D printer is off the charts. So typically with a cheaper printer like this, what you're going to be doing is spending time troubleshooting, tinkering, and fixing instead of printing. The A1 Mini is the polar opposite of that. Out of the box, you are printing and making cool stuff right away. There's auto bed leveling, which is absolutely essential for stress-free printing, and it just really checks all the boxes in terms of what you would want somebody to use right out of the box. Frankly, it just works. It's fast, it's quiet, and it's everything that I recommend to my students as I teach them how to use a 3D printer. I encourage them to use this machine to make sure, one, that they're actually going to use it, and two, something that's going to be cheap and relatively tinker-free. I really believe that the setup process is such that a middle school or high school student, with maybe the help of an adult, can easily put this together and be printing within a half hour. I personally have the Bambu Lab A1, which is the step up, so the A1 Mini has a build plate volume of 180 millimeters cubed. The A1 has a build volume of 256 millimeters cubed, but I really think that if you're just introducing somebody to this awesome hobby, it may be good to go with the cheaper and less large option. Now, what makes this deal so much better is the ability for the extras to be added on for some additional savings. So a 3D printer is going to utilize filament, it's going to utilize hot ends, build plates, etc., a little bit of consumables. Now, the 3D printer filament is the best deal. So you're looking at a $10 savings per roll with the reusable filament spool. It's a great idea to get a couple of those reusable filament spools in your workshop. That way you can end up buying the reusable spools that are going to be much cheaper eventually, but you need to start with those spools. The spools here, $13 per spool with the reusable roll, which is a really awesome deal to start. Now, you can never have enough filament, so stocking up on that, buying the A1 Mini at the same time is going to be huge. You get similar savings on hot ends. Never a bad idea to have some extra in stock, as well as an additional build plate, and I highly recommend the super cool tack plate from Bambu Lab. Just a huge opportunity, get some really high quality stuff, and Bambu has legendary quality, legendary reliability. Getting in at $200 plus your additional extras for filament, etc. is just really hard to pass up. That's why this is number one on my list for 2025. And just as a reminder, I'm not sponsored by anybody, frankly, so I don't get any money from this. I really just want to help you get the best quality products at good prices for the maker in your life. Now, you're looking to make the next step. Maybe you have a 3D printer, you're looking for something bigger, maybe you know that you're going to be involved in this hobby heavily, etc. I cannot help but look at the $279 Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Now, that price point comes with a small caveat. I put that into my cart just to see what shipping would look like. Shipping's about $30. So from here on out, I'm going to call this printer $310 just because that shipping cost, you have to factor that in. So now the difference between the A1 Mini and the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, besides price, is one, build volume, and two, the style of printer. So the A1 Mini is what we call a bed slinger, meaning that the bed, the part that the actual printer prints on, is going to move forward and backward, while the nozzle is going to move side to side and up and down. Now, the Centauri Carbon is what we call Core XY, meaning that the build plate is going to move up and down, but the nozzle itself will move side to side and front and back. Core XY is typically a bit more reliable, faster, and produces slightly higher quality prints. And at $310, basically $100 more expensive, it's a really, really great opportunity. Again, we spoke about that larger build plate, but it's also enclosed, meaning again, if you know that yourself or somebody in your life is really into 3D printing, this helps them to buy a little bit higher quality material and print that due to the enclosed printer. It's going to be better controlled temperatures, better controlled filament, better cooling, etc. to get overall typically a higher quality product. Now, $310 for a really fast Core XY is awesome. The reviews have been really solid, and overall I'm impressed with the machine. I've never personally gotten my hands on one. I would love to. At this price point, maybe it's hard to beat, but this is definitely the next step up from the A1 Mini, and I think a great option for any future 3D printer. Now, there's not a ton in the way of additional discount. You save about $1 per roll of filament, but I think even still, you can look at some of the other ones. Keep in mind, in a little bit, I'll talk about some filament deals that we can go with as well. So even if you're just buying the printer, there's other ways to save on the accessories. All right, so we've covered the beginners. We've covered the middle ground. What's next? You have a couple 3D printers. You're ready for the next step up. Bambu Lab's P1S comes in at number 3. So as Bambu Lab makes way for their P2S, what I think is going to be their new flagship printer to replace both the P1S and the X1 Carbon, they have heavily discounted their P1S to $399. Really, really great price. Now, for $400, you get the exact same build size as the Core XY Centauri Carbon, but you do get Bambu Lab's reliability, their speed, and their track record as being a very, very high quality printer manufacturer. Not that Elegoo isn't, but the P1S, if you look at individuals with larger print farms, is typically their workhorse. It's reliable, it's quick, it's durable, and you just get quality prints every single time. So if you're looking for that Bambu Lab speed, that Bambu Lab precision at $400, again, a $100 step up from the Centauri Carbon, that's a pretty great deal. In addition, you get all of those additional savings on filament, hot ends, build plates, etc. So again, we've talked basic, intermediate, and then expert. I think this is a really great plan, again, for somebody who you know is into 3D printing and who can always use an extra printer. And again, with the Centauri Carbon as well as the P1S, you get that enclosed printer. Therefore, you can print those high quality materials. I just want to thank you so much for watching up to this point. The holiday season is almost upon us, which is hard to believe. And if you're finding value in this, if you're getting somebody a 3D printer for Christmas, or if you are, it may be a good opportunity to hit that subscribe button. I have all kinds of tutorials down below that you can take a look at if you're having trouble with your 3D printer. I answer all of my comments, so if you have a question, please leave them down below. If you're finding value, I'd like it if you stuck around and subscribed. But let's move on. Now, I know not everybody is looking to buy a new 3D printer for Black Friday, and I can't blame you. That's what gets us to number 4 on our list. Sunlu is having a phenomenal deal on refill spools for filament. $10 per roll is a really great price. Now, you do have to have the reusable spool ready to go, so you may have to buy one from Bambu Lab, for example. But these refill spools, essentially you take that reusable spool, you open it up, you add the refill on, close it back on, and you're ready to go. It's cheaper, and I mean $10 for a good roll is pretty high quality stuff. Now, for the most part, all of these 3D printer filament brands are going to print very similar. So you have Polymaker, you have Sunlu, you have Bambu Lab, etc. They all print relatively the same. So you're getting high quality filament regardless of what brand you use. And at $10 a spool, that may be hard to beat. All right, next up, and last but not least for number 5 is something on my own personal wish list. That is the Fantic E1 Max Precision electric screwdriver. Now, that is 30% off right now of the original price. This kit itself is $60 right now. And if you spend any time tinkering, I like to tinker with electronics, put small models together, try and troubleshoot stuff, etc. This might be a huge addition to your workshop. Now, you get a ton of precision bits, your typical ones, but also your funky, out-of-bounds ones that might help with all of those awkward circuits you're trying to work on or awkward electronics, etc. Now, the fact that it's motorized as well can save a lot of that turning. Again, something that I have my eye on and just might pull the trigger. Again, 30% off, $60 is pretty hard to beat, and I've heard great reviews of this product as well. Now, this may just be the TikTok and Instagram ads for these, but I'm very interested in picking one up for myself, and it's $60. Again, if that's something that you tinker with or somebody in your life tinkers with, it might be a really good addition to your workshop. Now, as the holiday season gets into full swing, again, there's going to be some great deals that pop up. Prices are going to change, things are going to adjust, stock is going to adjust. So it's my opinion, it might be time to just hop on some of these really good deals. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. It's been really fun trying to take a look at some of these, and frankly my bank account looks like it might hurt a little bit because these are good deals that it's hard to pass up. Just a reminder, I don't get anything from these. I don't get any commission, any kickback, any sponsorship. I don't have any of those of any kind. Just the opportunity for me to share with you what I think is worth your time and your hard-earned money. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I respond to any comments that I get. If you found value, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribed. It would really mean the world to me. So thank you so much. Enjoy the holidays, everybody, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.